Good day, my name is John Walter Swanepoel. I'm 43 years old. I'm married and I have 2 children. I'm from Kempton Park, South Africa. I have 2 years farming experience where I can cultivate ground, prepare it to plant and harvest crops using different equipment. I've got experience in John Deere with Series 3 to Series 8 tractors and Massey Ferguson range. I've worked with corn and sunflower and wheat from planting to harvesting. I've also got livestock experience with cattle, sheep, pigs, tagging them, seeing to them and giving them vaccinations and record keeping. I've also got experience in skid steer, TLB, front end loader and forklift and telehandlers. I have a medium heavy truck license as well. Together I can work with, or I can work with a group or on my own. Thank you for viewing my application. Sincerely, John Swanepoel.